So let me get the
Wait.
die.
Which one is this? Right. Yes, okay.
Yeah.
So it's called?
Yeah.
How is it called?
So these are all the pieces. So that's the drawer. That's the lid right here.
How do you
That's
call this die?
the little feet. And that's the hinges.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does it have a name?
The sewing box.
It's 6607.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I
68.
think, what's the name?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good. Right. So can you open it?
Yeah, sure.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Now,
it. Okay.
If you use tiny breads, they kind of flop over a little bit. If you use thicker breads, they stand up like. You all have to go. You all have to check it out. If you where it is.
It's okay. I think
Yeah.
you got it.
Well, it's
It's beautiful.
Well, thank
And
you.
it's the same like this one, right?
Yes. And this one. Oh, here's one. This one. See, this one has the bigger breads, so that one holds the shape better. Oh, one more. Yeah, so that one like stands.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Because these are wider, so they stay. Yeah. But it's so cute.
It's very, very cute.
Yeah, you can decorate it how she lined hers too. So you can do it however you like. Put whatever paper you want on, and you can also make it taller. So if you want to stack them and make them taller, you could do a single stack of 10. You could. This one I used. These are the drawers, so I put them with another die.
All right.
And you can use that. This one here, this is the lid.
Oh.
And I made a little book out of it. Like
Beautiful.
it's upside down. So you can use all the parts of the dies to make different things. It's fun. That's what I try to do.